Hey guys, my name is Patrick Star.
And my name is Spongebob. And my name is Sandy Cheeks.
Hey, wait, where am I? Hey, Sandy.
Yes, SpongeBob.
Do you want a karate chop? Hey, SpongeBob, what does that mean? I'm dumb and don't understand anything. Well, Patrick, I just want to let you know that, my name is Jeff. I have to tease. Me. I don't know what that means. Well, if you know Jeff St. John, you would know he has teeth like me. Only two. Whatever, SpongeBob. Make fun of people some more, you stupid. At least I'm not fat. At least I'm not pink. At least I'm not Hey, Sandy, you want to make out? Okay.
Oh, she fell off again. This is so retarded.
Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Come on, breathe out. Yeah. You fucking retard.
I don't know what to say.
Let's go to the Krusty Krab. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, let's go back. Huh? What's this?
Oh.
I'm lost, help me!
Oh, wrong way. She looks stupid. Her eyeballs are going the wrong way. Where did I get these anyways?
Coin machine.
No, I didn't.
Really?
I bought them somewhere a long time ago.
Better not cry. Better find out who's not your nice. Patrick Star is fat and cute.
Oh, that was weird. I want to get on this, y'all. Oh my, oh. Thanks. Dance party. Dance party. Dance party. Oh.
Yeah, this video's lame.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
See you next time on SpongeBob SquarePants.